Making your first dollar online is one of the hardest things to do. Now I am not a crazy rich guy, but I have made a substantial amount of money using the internet. So if you watch this video till the end, I can guarantee that you will know everything there is to know to make your first dollar online. 10 years ago, making money online was only a dream for many people. The barrier to entry was too high and there were simply less opportunities. But now, times have changed and anyone with a phone can make substantial money online. But that's kind of the problem. We see all of these people making tons of money with various kinds of businesses. AI videos, dropshipping, video editing, graphic designing, YouTube channels, and inside these business models, there's a wide variety of niches. Let's just take YouTube for example. You can make vlogs, educational content, tech content, financial content, funny videos, Minecraft video essays. There's literally thousands of niches that you can choose from. Now the problem is that you want to make money fast. I know that all of you want to make more than $100 in your first month and then double it in the next and so on. So you pick up one side hustle, you put 100% effort into it in the first week, and then a few weeks go by, you watch another video that explains you could make way more money if you did this completely different side hustle. So you stop all that progress you put into the first one and you pursue this new one. This cycle repeats every couple of months and you made no money and no progress. This is called shiny object syndrome, and it's actually very dangerous because if you don't take any action, you will basically keep moving on to new things without getting any real progress in any of them. So as you can see, the problem is not in these business models, the problem is actually in your mindset. It doesn't really matter what side hustle you choose to pursue, as long as there is a way to make money and you have the necessary skill to get to that level, you can make money. But you need to remember one thing, you are here because you have not made a single dollar through the internet. So you need to start small. You don't want a business model where you potentially can make $1 million, but you have to work 80 hours a week for 2 years in order to do that, because let's be real, you're gonna quit in a month. You need to find a side hustle that does not require a lot of skills and does not take a long time to make you money. Now once again, you are just testing the water here. This side hustle won't make you rich, but you will gain enough experience to find your next business where you will make the big bucks. Things like reselling, affiliate marketing, or even graphic designing is a good place to start. Now once you find your business model, I need you to forget about every other side hustle. You need to be fully committed to your cause and don't even watch videos like this which would change your mind. When you are focusing on something, you need to develop the necessary skills related to that field. And you will have to spend a lot of time researching and learning about them, but this is all part of a process. There are two things that you get by doing a side hustle apart from money. First one is skills. Now the type of skills you learn depends on the type of business you are doing, but the one skill that every type of business needs is sales. It doesn't matter what type of side hustle you're doing, if you need to stay on top of the competition and gain customers, you need to know sales. And no matter how many courses you buy, you cannot perfect sales without practice. And I know you think making stupid TikToks won't give me any sales training, but trust me, it will. You have to sell the people on the video, otherwise they will scroll past it, and you have to convince brands to work with you if you want to make money. So every side hustle involves at least a little selling. And the second one is opportunities. When you start to learn these skills, you will come across various new opportunities where you get to meet new people and expand your business. Once again, I understand your suspicions, but if you work hard enough, it's gonna happen. And networking is the single most important thing after sales. Every single successful person had at least one person who helped them get there. Now don't worry if you don't have any rich friends or family, because you will get the opportunity to network with the right people if you play your cards right. Now after a couple of months or maybe even after a year, you will make money out of this, and if you think there's a potential to scale up the business, scale it to the moon. It's totally fine. But if you think the business is dying, that's also fine, because now you made your first dollar, so you know what works and what doesn't, and you gained a lot of experience and skills, so you can use them for your next business where you will make way more money than you did with this. So that's pretty much it. Just focus on one thing and learn the necessary skills, and when you get the opportunity, start to scale up or start something new that can be scaled up. And while doing this, you will also make your first dollar online, which will reassure you that making money online is actually possible and even quite easy. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you want more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.